To keep your device and components in good working condition, you must clean them regularly. It's also important for your good health. Let the heater plate and water cool down for at least 15 minutes before cleaning. Press down on the indent with your thumb and slide the water tank away from the device. Create a cleaning solution with 1 teaspoon of liquid dish soap per gallon of warm water. With the device unplugged, wipe the outside surfaces, inlet and outlet seal, and the heater plate with a damp, slightly soapy cloth. Clean the humidifier water tank daily. Pull up on the water tank latch and remove the lid and lid seal. Wash the water tank, lid, and seal in the soapy water. Rinse thoroughly, and then let the parts completely air dry. Attach the water tank seal into the back of the tank and press down until it is fully seated. Refill the humidifier tank with distilled water no higher than the maximum fill line. Position the hooks on the lid over the small tabs on the tank and snap the lid securely closed. Disconnect the tubing from the device and submerge it in the soapy solution along with any adapters or connectors. Gently agitate the water to clean the parts inside and out. Wipe the inner surface of the tubing and adapters before rinsing them thoroughly to remove soap residue. Inspect the items for cleanliness and repeat the cleaning if necessary. Let the parts air dry completely. Every 2 weeks, remove the gray reusable filter by pulling on the white tab. If you are using a blue disposable ultra-fine filter, detach it from the gray filter and inspect it for clogs or damage. The blue filter should be discarded after 30 nights of use, as it cannot be rinsed and reused. Run warm tap water through the middle of the gray reusable filter to rinse away any debris. Shake out the excess water and set aside to dry completely. Replace the gray reusable filter every 6 months. Align the arrows on the blue filter with the arrows on the gray filter and snap them firmly together. Insert the clean filters into the access area. Place the water tank on the table and align the bottom lip of the tank with the heater plate. Slide it onto the device, pushing until it clicks and locks into place. You can now reattach the tubing and mask and start therapy.